Intertools is the first DIY value comparison site. Compare price, service and availability from leading UK retailers.
In today's video we have the Bosch Gas 18 V1 18 volts lithium ion dust extractor. Links in the description below. Let's get into today's video. Bosch's compact solution for broom clean work areas, the handheld GAS 18V1 Professional is perfect for initial dry cleaning. With a particular compact design, excellent manoeuvrability, cordless freedom and a dust container that can be quickly and easily emptied, this vacuum cleaner offers ideal handling. Perfectly mobile and easy to transport, the GAS 18V1 Professional also conveniently fits into the L-box. It is intended for dry vacuuming of coarse dust or rough dirt from smooth surfaces. The dry dust extractor is compatible with all Bosch Professional 18 volt batteries. The features include the following. It is cordless, so it is easy to transport whilst handling. It has two rotary air streams which will prevent filter clogging and has no loss of suction. It has a long running time of 7 minutes per AH. It is fast and has a convenient front when emptying. It is balanced and comfortable thanks to the ergonomic handle. It is supplied with 2 suction tubes and flexible extension tube, and has a crevice nozzle and a floor nozzle. The specifications include the following: a flexible power system and a rotational airflow. The filter surface area is 55 cm squared. It has a maximum volume flow rate turbine of 10 litres per second and a maximum vacuum pressure turbine of 60 millibars. It contains a volume of 0.7 litres. It is complete with 4 accessories and has an ergonomic design and weighs 1.3 kgs. Founded in 1898, Bosch opened its first international office in central London. Every one of Bosch's group business sectors has a presence in the UK. Mobility solutions, consumer goods, energy, building technology and industrial technology. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more products on Intertools.